Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my recipe for my homemade macaroni and cauliflower cheese. Enjoy! So first I'm going to lay the pancetta in a roasting tray or large enough to bake the pasta in, and I'm going to put this on the top shelf of the oven and cook until nice and crispy. I'm then going to chop up my cauliflower and add to a pan of boiling water. I'm also going to add all of my dried macaroni to the same pot and bring that to the boil. Whilst I'm boiling this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt, and I'm also going to drizzle over a little olive oil. So whilst the pasta and the cauliflower is boiling, I'm going to start off by grating my cheese. I need around 250 grams of cheddar cheese, so I'm just going to grate this into a pot and leave to one side. I'm then going to dice 4 thick slices of bread. The recipe says you use like big country sort of farmhouse bread. I'm just using a loaf of bread that I already had in my bread bin, and I'm just going to roughly chop that into small squares. Now add your diced bread into a food processor and also add some sprigs of rosemary, and then also add a little drizzle of olive oil, and then also once your pancetta is nice and crispy, take it out the oven and add into the food processor also. Everything inside the food processor a really good blitz. Because the mixture is quite stodgy, you're going to have to give it a little bit of a shake, as you can see we are doing here, but just blend it until you've got a nice or breadcrumb consistency. Okay, so we are now going to drain the cauliflower and macaroni mixture. I'm going to be saving some of the pasta water, so the easiest way I find to do this is put your colander over a large bowl and drain the pasta into the colander. Add all of your pasta and cauliflower into a roasting dish, the dish that you obviously want to put it in the oven with, and just give it a good mix, breaking all the pasta and the cauliflower up, just spreading it completely even. I'm then going to add 400 ml of the pasta water which I saved from earlier, and I'm just going to evenly spread it over the pasta into the baking dish. So we are now going to add some garlic. The recipe asks for 2 cloves of garlic. Unlike me, I'm a bit lazy, so I'm going to be using the Easy Garlic, which is a jar I actually bought from Lidl's. So I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of the Easy Garlic over the pasta mixture. I'm then going to take my 250 grams of grated cheese and just spread it evenly over the mixture, and I'm just going to save a little bit to add to the top in just a moment. I'm then also going to add 250 grams of creme fraiche. I'm just going to pop this onto the top, and then I'm just going to give the whole mixture a really good stir. Once I've given that a good mix, I'm just going to add our really lovely pancetta breadcrumb to the top of the macaroni cheese, and I'm going to pop this in the oven for around half an hour or until the mixture is looking really bubbly and crispy. And that is the end of today's video. You can serve it with some garlic bread or some salad or whatever you fancy, but definitely give it a go. If you do, leave me a comment down below, let me know how it tasted for you guys. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye!